Hi everyone, and my name is Yu Yang,
Hi everyone, my name is Kah Seng.
and we are from Paifeng Middle School. And being a student, getting a flying color result and having a success in the academic are the dreams among the students. But we are always in trouble to achieve this goal. What we are missing and how we can do better. And yes, today we are honored to invite a student to share about his secret recipe. How does he sustain his academic? And please welcome Jason.
Hi, Yu Yang. Hi, Kah Seng. Thank you for having me here, and nice to meet you guys.
And hello, Jason. Also nice to meet you too. And thank you for taking your time out of your business schedule to participate to our talk. Your sharing that is our driving force. Can you give us a short self-introduction about yourself?
Hi, so my name is Yu Hao, and you also can call me Jason. I'm a graduate student from Biomedical Science from International Medical University.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Jason. Just now you said you are science students in university before. So why do you choose this course?
So the reason I choose this course is because I always have this passion in the health sciences field, where I think it's a very professional in terms of career-wise. For example, like the in vitro fertilization is able to help individuals and families that are unable to get pregnant to have babies. So by this way, it is able to improve and enhance the quality of a person's life. Hence, I think that's why the reason I study this biomedical science course.
Oh, yes, okay, I see. But I really hate science because it is so difficult and there are so many theorems and so many notions we want to memorize and remember. And that's all my questions.
Excuse me, Jason. You say you are a science student before. I know that being a science student are very hard and tired and always face many problems. So how do you face this problem and solve this problem?
Yes. First of all, I would like to point out that it's not just science courses that are difficult. I think other courses have their own difficulties too. But for my case, I think usually the problems arise is having a lot of workloads in terms of assignments, group projects, and lab sessions. Yeah, so it's really important to have a good time management to well balance your uni life. Yes.
Oh, I see. I understand how you feel. Thank you, Jason.
Wow, your school life is really quite busy and tired, Jason. So if you have some free times, what would you do and spend during that time?
Yes. So during my free time in my university, I usually join a lot of clubs and societies to be able to engage with people from various courses. And also during my free time, I usually do read English books too.
Oh, yes. Joining some clubs also can meet some new friends and also can improve our something like leadership skills and learn some moral skill. And that's all my questions. Thank you.
Jason, just now you say you like to read English book in your free time. In our this generation, English subject is very difficult for us. Do you have any tips or ways to improve English subject and can you share those to us?
Yes. So to be able to improve your English level, I think it's important for the person to keep on practicing, like to read more articles or read more storybooks in English. And you can also use English in your daily life to converse more. That's how you really improve your English. And I do believe you guys have online lessons, right? Yeah. So this during these online lessons, you can also use English to converse with your teachers and also with your classmates to improve, yeah, to use more English in your daily life.
Wow, your way seem to be very effective. I think I will use your ways.
Yes, we are also like conduct the online lessons since last year MCO. So actually in the online lessons, self-learning and self-discipline are important when we are studying in online lesson. So do you agree with my views, Jason?
Yes, I do agree. I think it's quite a challenge for students nowadays for having online lessons, because during online lessons, you're home alone and you are facing the computers instead of having an environment that have companions to study together. And during online lessons, you cannot focus because there are a lot of distractions around at home. So yeah, discipline is a must in the student nowadays to have to conduct online lessons actually. Yes.
Okay. Yes, I agree with your statement and views. Self-learning and discipline are quite significant for students. And also in this generation, there are few students, such as like our secondary students, they are very lack in motivation to learn. So can you share about your views how they can get back their motivation to learn?
I think a person might need to find a group of friends to study together, because by that way you will have companions and then you can discuss your problems and issues together. So yeah, having some few teammates together is able to encourage and bring you guys to study and conduct together.
Yes. Okay. Thank you for your views. And our interviews is coming to an end. So, lastly, do you have anything to say our youngster?
I would say that grade is actually not the most important part in while learning. So try to find your passion and take it slow in terms of finding your career pathways. Yeah, that's all from me.
Okay. Okay. That's right. So our talk is end, and thank you for your time and for your busy schedule to participate in our talk. So we will take your words to hear. Thank you for joining us, and thank you so much, and thank you, Jason.
Thank you so much. Thank you, guys.